The first rays of sun peek over the horizon. A golden glow bathes the landscape. Lake Nakuru awakens. Mist rises from the water. The air is cool and crisp. This is a new day in the heart of Kenya. The silence is broken by the calls of birds. They greet the day with a chorus of song. The water's edge comes alive with activity. Flamingos stretch their wings, ready for a day of feeding. This is a place of incredible beauty. It is a place where wildlife thrives. Lake Nakuru National Park is a true African gem. It is a testament to the power of nature. Lake Nakuru National Park is a sanctuary. It is a refuge for countless species. The park is renowned for its biodiversity. It is a place where animals roam freely. They live as nature intended. The lake itself is a sight to behold. It is often covered in a pink hue. This is due to the millions of flamingos that call it home. The lake's shores attract a plethora of other bird life. Pelicans, cormorants, and eagles all share this watery paradise. Beyond the lake, the landscape varies. Grasslands stretch as far as the eye can see. Acacia woodlands offer shade from the African sun. Rocky hillsides provide lookout points for watchful predators. This diverse habitat supports a wealth of life. The name Nakuru comes from the Maasai language, a language rich in history and culture. It means dusty place or dry place, a fitting description for the region during the dry season. This refers to the area's dry season when the land is parched and vegetation is sparse. Despite its name, Lake Nakuru is an oasis, a vibrant contrast to the surrounding arid landscape. It is a source of life in a sometimes harsh environment, providing water and sustenance to a variety of wildlife. The lake's waters are highly alkaline, a unique characteristic that shapes its ecosystem. This makes it unsuitable for many fish species, limiting the types of aquatic life that can thrive here. However, it creates the perfect conditions for a specific type of algae, which flourishes in these waters. This algae is the primary food source for the flamingos, drawing them to the lake in large numbers. They gather in their millions, creating a spectacle unlike any other, a breathtaking display of nature's beauty. Lake Nakuru's ecosystem is a delicate balance, where each species plays a crucial role in maintaining harmony. It is a testament to the interconnectedness of nature, showcasing the intricate relationships between flora and fauna. The park's rangers work tirelessly to protect this fragile environment, ensuring its survival against various threats. They ensure its preservation for generations to come, fostering a deep connection between the community and their natural heritage. Lake Nakuru National Park is more than just a bird sanctuary. While it is renowned for its vibrant bird life, including the famous flamingos that paint the lake's surface pink, there is so much more to discover here. It is home to a variety of mammals. From the sturdy buffaloes to the elegant zebras, the park is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts. Among them are some of Africa's most iconic creatures, lions. These majestic animals roam the grasslands, embodying the spirit of the wild. These are not just any lions. They are the kings and queens of the savannah, ruling their domain with grace and power. They are the real-life counterparts to Mufasa and Simba from The Lion King. The tales of bravery, leadership, and family bonds depicted in the movie are mirrored in the lives of these magnificent creatures. Just like Mufasa, the dominant males are majestic and powerful. Their presence is commanding, and their roar can be heard echoing across the plains. They command respect from their pride. Every member looks up to them for guidance and protection. They are responsible for protecting their territory and ensuring the safety of their family. Their vigilance keeps the pride safe from intruders and threats. They carry themselves with an air of dignity and wisdom. Their every move is calculated, their every decision vital for the survival of the pride. And then there are the cubs. These young lions are the heart of the pride, bringing joy and energy to the group. Full of life and energy, they are the embodiment of Simba. Their playful antics and boundless curiosity are a delight to watch. They tumble and play under the watchful eyes of their mothers. The lionesses are ever vigilant, ensuring their young ones are safe and learning the skills they need. They are learning the ways of the savannah. Every day is a new adventure, a new lesson in survival. They are the future of their pride. As they grow, they will take on more responsibilities, eventually becoming the leaders and protectors of the next generation. The lions of Lake Nakuru exhibit the same behaviors and traits that captivated audiences in The Lion King. Witnessing them in their natural habitat is a truly awe-inspiring experience. Lions are skilled hunters. They work together to bring down prey much larger than themselves. The females are often the primary hunters. They use a combination of stealth and speed to ambush their prey. The bond between a lioness and her cubs is strong. She is fiercely protective of her young. She will defend them from any perceived threat. The cubs, in turn, rely on their mother for everything. They learn by watching her every move. The lions may be the stars of Lake Nakuru, but they are far from the only attraction. These majestic creatures, with their powerful presence and regal demeanor, captivate the hearts of all who visit. Yet they share this incredible landscape with a myriad of other fascinating species. The park is a tapestry of life, woven with the threads of countless species, each contributing to the vibrant ecosystem. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, every creature plays a vital role in maintaining the balance of this natural wonder. It is a place where you can see an incredible array of animals in their natural habitat. The diversity here is astounding, offering a glimpse into the intricate web of life that sustains this unique environment. Flamingos gather in their millions, creating a sea of pink. Their presence transforms the landscape into a living painting, a spectacle that is both breathtaking and unforgettable. Their synchronized movements are mesmerizing, a dance of nature that showcases their unity and grace. Watching them move as one is like witnessing a perfectly choreographed ballet. They move as one, feeding on the lake's abundant algae. This feeding frenzy is not just a sight to behold, but also a crucial part of the lake's ecosystem, helping to maintain the balance of life in these waters. Black rhinos, once on the brink of extinction, are making a comeback thanks to conservation efforts. These efforts have been monumental in ensuring that future generations can witness these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat. Seeing these prehistoric-looking creatures in the wild is a privilege. Their presence is a reminder of the resilience of nature and the importance of preserving our planet's biodiversity. They're a symbol of hope for the future of wildlife. Their survival story is a testament to what can be achieved when humanity comes together to protect and conserve. Zebras and buffaloes graze peacefully on the open grasslands. Their coexistence is a beautiful example of the harmony that can be found in nature. Their stripes and horns are a reminder of the beauty and diversity of the animal kingdom. Each pattern and shape tells a story of adaptation and survival. They are a testament to the power of evolution. The unique traits of each species highlight the incredible journey of life on Earth, a journey that continues to unfold in the heart of Lake Nakuru. A game drive through Lake Nakuru National Park is an unforgettable experience. It is a chance to witness the raw beauty of the African wilderness. The anticipation builds with every turn. The terrain varies from open grasslands to dense woodlands. Each habitat offers a different perspective on the park's wildlife. You might spot a leopard lounging in a tree, or a herd of elephants lumbering across the savannah. Every encounter is special. Every sighting is a reminder of the importance of protecting these animals and their habitat. It is a humbling experience to be surrounded by such incredible creatures. The rangers at Lake Nakuru National Park play a crucial role in the park's success. They are the guardians of this natural treasure. They work tirelessly to protect the park's wildlife from poachers and other threats. They also monitor animal populations, they track their movements, they gather data that helps to inform conservation efforts. Their work is essential for ensuring the long-term survival of these species. Thanks to their dedication and passion, Lake Nakuru National Park remains a shining example of successful conservation. It is a beacon of hope for the future of Africa's wildlife. The best time to visit Lake Nakuru National Park for a lion safari depends on your priorities. Each season offers a unique perspective on the park's wildlife. The dry season from June to October offers the best chance to see lions. The vegetation is thinner, making it easier to spot them. Animals congregate around water sources. This makes for excellent game viewing opportunities. The wet season from November to May brings lush vegetation and a vibrant flamingo population. The park is transformed into a green paradise. This is a great time to see newborns. Many animals give birth during this time of abundance. Lake Nakuru National Park is a testament to the beauty and wonder of the natural world. It is a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. It is a place to reconnect with nature. The park is a reminder that we share this planet with an incredible array of creatures. It is our responsibility to protect them and their habitats. We must ensure that future generations can experience the magic of Lake Nakuru. If you ever have the opportunity to visit this magical place, do not hesitate. Book a safari, immerse yourself in the beauty of the African wilderness. You will not be disappointed. The lions of Lake Nakuru, like Mufasa and Simba, will continue to reign over this savanna. Their roars will echo through the grasslands. Their presence will continue to inspire and amaze visitors from around the globe. Their story is a reminder of the power of nature. It is a reminder of the importance of conservation. It is a call to action for us all to protect our planet and its wildlife. Let us ensure that their legacy endures for generations to come. Let us continue to be inspired by their strength, their grace, and their unwavering spirit. Let us all strive to be better stewards of our planet so that the real Lion Kings can continue to rule their kingdom undisturbed.